good morning everyone. Welcome to integration class. We'll discuss few more different problems in this class. First problem we'll see integration of sin x divided by sin 3x. Okay. So replace sin 3a formula. Okay, what happens? So integration of sin x dx divided by, so it will be 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. First divide by sin x to numerator and denominator. So my equation become integration of dx divided by 3 minus 4 sin square x dx. Now again divide by numerator and denominator by cos square x. Now rest of the things will be same. Only thing is this step is different. Okay. Supposed to convert because sin x is there throughout. So numerator sin x is there. Better you divide numerator and denominator by sin x. Then now rest of the things will follow same things. So it will be numerator, I can reduce dx by cos square x, I can write as sec square x dx. So here 3 by cos square x, I can write as 3 sec square x minus 4. Am I right? Okay. Now replace sec square by 1 plus tan square x. So it will be sec square x dx divided by 3 plus 3 tan square x, or I can write 3 into 1 plus tan square x minus 4 sec square x dx divided by 3 plus 3 minus 4, that is minus 1, or 3 tan square x minus 1. Take 3 outside and substitute t equal to tan x dt equal to sec square x dx. So what happens in short 1 by 3, so you can reduce few steps. Okay, so this is dt divided by, this is t square minus 1 by 3, you can write as root of 1 by or 1 by root 3 whole square, you can write. Now directly apply the formula and simplify. 1 by 3 into 1 by a is 1 by root 3 into tan inverse of t by 1 by root 3, that is equal to 3, I can write as root 3 into root 3, so root 3 get cancelled, so 1 by root 3 into tan inverse of, this is root 3 into tan x plus c divided by 1, so no need to write. So this is how you are supposed to simplify. Only thing is this step is extra, rest all you are familiar. Okay, we'll see one more problems. Cos x by cos 3x, cos x dx by cos 3x. Again use the cos cube formula. So cos x dx divided by, in case of sin 3 sin x coming first, here 4 cos cube x coming first. So 3 cos x coming next. So this is things you supposed to remember. Something you supposed to connect and you can correlate and you can remember. In case of sin 3x, sin 3 sin x coming first. In cos 3x, 4 cos cube x, cube is coming first. Okay. So now divide numerator and denominator by cos x. Cos x. So what happens? Cos x in the numerator go, it is dx divided by 4 cos square x minus 3. Okay, I simplified and I directly wrote the steps. One step I skipped, you please note down. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, now again numerator and denominator, divide numerator and denominator by what? Cos square x. Am I right? Cos square x. See now I can reduce so many steps in one shot. So numerator become dx by cos square x is sec square x dx, denominator this become 4, this become 3 sec square x. Okay, 3 sec minus 3 sec square x replaced by 1 plus tan square x. Again, even this you can do it in mind, it is possible. 6 square x dx divided by 4 minus 3, that is 1 minus 3 tan square x. Am I right? So now substitute t as tan x, dt as 6 square x dx. So I can replace, I'll take 1 by 3 outside, so and I can 1 by 3 integration of dt by, again I am skipping the steps, keep observe. Okay, so because we are familiar, so now you should know where to skip the steps so that you can speed up your calculation. So 1 by 3 I took outside, and I can write this is 1 by 3 root whole square minus t square. I mean it looks like a, now x square minus, sorry, a square minus x square. So hope you are familiar with the a square minus x square formula. So 1 by 3 into 1 by 2a, a is again 1 by root 3, this get cancelled and this become root 3. Okay, into log of modulus of a minus x, so a is your t. So this become a plus t and a minus t. So a is 1 by root 3 plus t divided by 1 by root 3 minus 3. So this become 1 by 2 into root 3 log of t is tan x. So 1 plus root 3 tan x divided by 1 plus 1 minus root 3 tan x plus. So hope you are clear with this. I am directly apply the formula here. So better if you remember the formula, you can directly do it. So your final answer is this. So we'll see the one more problems, so that we'll get a practice on such kind of problems and you should have a hold. Last problem is integration of dx by 2 plus cos x. So what to do? So it will be very tricky. There is no square, but you are supposed to convert in the square format. I mean to say, write this as, split this 2 into 1 plus 1 cos x. That means dx 1 plus 1 plus cos x. What is this? You can replace with this half angle formula. So I mean to say, integration of dx divided by 1 plus 2 cos square x by 2. Remember it? Now denominator, divide numerator and denominator by cos square x by 2. What happens in the numerator? So it will be 6 square x by 2 dx divided by, so in the denominator it will be 6 square x by 2 plus 2. Replace this by tan and substitute. So it will be 6 square x by 2 dx divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 2. Now if you simplify, it will be 6 square x by 2 dx divided by 3 plus tan square x by 2. Now substitute t equal to tan x by 2, dt equal to 1 by 2 into 6 square x by 2. Am I right? Or 6 square x by 2 into 1 by 2. So in the numerator, so this 2 this kind dx will come. So now this become, what I can write is integration of 2 dt divided by 3 plus t square. Am I right? So I can take my 2 integration outside, dt divided by root 3 whole square plus t square, that will be equal to 2 into 1 by a tan inverse of t by root 3, or 1 by root 3 into tan inverse of t is tan x by 2 by root 3 plus, this is the final answer. So this is how you supposed to convert the given equation into the known format. So if you are familiar with all your half angle formula or the previous trigonometry formulas, this will be helpful. So you should not neglect your first year trigonometry and all the around 30 formulas related to trigonometry. So that make a very big sense to remembering those trigonometry formula and substituting at right place. If, as I said from the beginning, if your tank is filled with water, when you open the tap, what will come? Similarly, if you remember, if you put effort to remember the previous class formulas, whenever it requires, it will come to your mind, it will flash your mind, otherwise you will stuck. So important thing is keep remember all the formulas and keep remember all the methods till now what we studied. Really help you to shoot out problem in JEE and JEE Advanced. Hope you stay tuned and get practice with a variety of problems. See you in the next class. Thank you. All the best.